Hi guys! In today's video I will be showing you how to do TikTok style dot on Capcut. Before I do, please make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you have any requests. This is the edit that we will make today. First, get your clips. I didn't screen record me getting my clips. Now I'm going to show you how to do horizontal and vertical blur. First, go to Effects, then click Oblique. Make it as short as possible. Object all videos. For horizontal blur, make everything 100. Put a keyframe at the beginning and end of the effect. Go the end keyframe and make blur. Copy it 3 more times, so in total you should have 4. Do that to every clip you want to have horizontal blur. Now vertical blur. Do the same thing you did for horizontal blur, just make rotation 50. This is option. Animation. Swing right for horizontal. Animation. Swing bottom for vertical. Make animation 0.2.
Charlie likes boys, but she knows I'd hit it. Likes boys, but she knows I'd hit it.
Now I'm showing you how to do zoom in, zoom out. Put a keyframe in the beginning and end of each of your clips. For zoom in, you are going to zoom in at the end keyframe. And for zoom out, you zoom in on the first keyframe. I usually say zoom in, zoom out to myself, so I don't forget. Now go to Graphs and pick Flow 2. Now I'm going to teach you how to do fade out. First, add a keyframe in the middle of your clip and make your end keyframe 50 opacity. Now I'm going to do my panning. There are a lot of different types of panning. You can find some on TikTok, but I will teach you mine. Go to Effects, click Mini Zoom, make it as long as your edit makes speed and range 10. Add play pendulum. Make the settings like what you see on screen. Now I'm adding flicker. All you do is type dot and zoom it in. Make it black and make the opacity 15. Click animation loop flash 0.2. Now flash. Overlay library white screen. Zoom it in. Click splice, then overlay. Animation out, fade out, make it fully fade out. Cut it up. Now just add your watermark. Tell me in the comments if you want a tutorial on how I made mine. I'm adding my coloring now. You can find lots of coloring on TikTok and Pinterest. I hope you liked this video and that it helped you. Please feel free to request anything in the comments.